Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on this dresser that I got for free and also showing you products that I use while doing my flips. So first of all, I want to thank everybody who has subscribed, all the new subscribers. And if you are new, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. So the items that I use are my Ryobi drill for hardware or any repairs. I also use different variations of paint. I use Gorilla wood glue. I use clamps for any repairs, or if I have to clamp down the drawers. That's what is the issue most of the time, is that I have to fix the drawers. I also use my nail gun for any small repairs that the wood glue wouldn't hold on its own. And also my sander, I use that all the time, and the Rust-Oleum metallic finish gold for all of the hardware. So depending on what I'm fixing on the furniture, that's what I will be using. But for sure it's the sander, the gold spray paint, and the drill is what I use all the time. Now, another thing too is rollers for the bottom of the dresser. Those come in really handy. So if you don't have one, I have two different kinds. I have a rolling dolly, and I have the individual rollers that go on each leg. So if you don't have those, I suggest you get those because it's easy to work around. And also they're bed lifts, but I use them for my furniture to lift them up off the ground. But in this one, I am using a lighter gray. It's almost like a whitewash gray for this dresser. This is the first coat, and I did wipe and sand everything and then re-wiped everything down so that way it's not dusty. These are the drawers. I removed the hardware and sanded them down. This is the first coat for the drawers. And this is the hardware. I kept the original hardware. They are wood. I did spray them gold, but I didn't really want to switch up the hardware. I just kept it as is. And this is the vinyl before the hardware. It did take two coats of the gray. And this is it all put together, getting ready to stage the piece, take pictures, and post it on Facebook Marketplace as well as OfferUp. And this is how I staged it. And I did sell this piece within 2 days for $150. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, and share.